to man is so unjust. Children, you don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend, and your best friend, your worst enemy. Some will eat and drink with you, then behind them sus upon you. Only your friend know your secret, so only he, what even is his name, can reveal it. And who that can fit, let them wear it. Who that can fit, let them wear it. I said I throw me con, me never call the phone. I said them cook, clock, clock. Some will hate you, pretend they love you now. Yes, then behind they try to eliminate you. But who job bless, no man curse. Thank God we're past the worst. Hypocrites and parasites will come down and take a bite. And if your night should turn to day, a lot of people would run away now. And who that can fit, let them wear it. And who that can fit, let them wear it. Then I throw me con, me never call the phone. I said me cook, clock. Come again, wanna not hear it. Come again. There never been a better song written with so much facts.
Very true. Listen to the word.
Hear it. Man to man is so unjust. Children, you don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend, and your best friend, your worst enemy. Pull up the color says, yes. Tell them Robert Nestamani, yes. Man to man is so unjust. Children, you don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend, and your best friend, your worst enemy. Some will eat and drink with you, then behind them sus upon you. Only your friend know your secret, so only he could reveal it. And who that can fit, let them wear it. And who that can fit, yes, let them wear it. Throw me con, me never call no phone. Thank God, you and I, we're past the worst. Hypocrites and parasites will come up and take a bite. If your night should turn today, a lot of people would run away now. And who that cap fits, let them wear it. And who that cap fits, let them wear it. And I throw me con, me never call no foul. I said that cook, clock, clock, clock. Lola, thank you. Pull up again. It's worth it, Lola. Come on. Some will eat and drink. Good evening, kings and queens.
Big up, big up, big up.
Happy Saturday night or happy Sunday morning,
Whatever it
wherever you're watching from. I tell you, it's so unjust. Children, you don't know who to trust. Your worst enemy could be your best friend. And your best friend, your worst enemy. Some will eat and drink with you.
drink with you.
Then behind them sus upon you.
Sus upon you.
Only your best friend know your secret. So only he could reveal it. And who thou wig fits, let them wear it. Hey! Who thou wig fits, let them wear it. Throw me con, me never call no foul. I say them cook, clock, clock, clock. Some will hate you, pretend they love you now. All smiles, they try to eliminate you. But who job bless, no man curse. Thank God, we're past the worst. And parasites
queens.
Kings and queens.
Happy Saturday night.
Welcome to the Chocolate and Vanilla Factory. We'll come out tonight on a Saturday night to come hang with you guys, play some music. Yes, life is too short to dance, not to dance. That's what we call tonight. Life is too short not to dance. So I hope you rock out with us, yes? But before I go any further, it's been on my heart to say, you know, all this craziness on social media, all this bangarang, like most of you call it. And in the midst of all of this charity talking and whatnot, I've never heard anyone really took the time out to say, you know, what about the donors? Beautiful donors. Tonight, donors, this live is celebrated. We're celebrating you. No matter if you have ever given $1, respect goes out to you. Because before I came on social media and, you know, happened to bump into that amazing charity, teaching you my cooking skill, which nobody can padlock my mouth. And no matter if them go ponder me, string me up, will ever stop me from saying the best charity I've ever witnessed on social media.
Good Deeds Program.
Yes, the Good Deeds Program. Nobody can stop me from saying that. One thing I don't do, I don't answer to bullying. One thing that will never intimidate me is screaming and vulgarity and derogatory comments. Those are stupid to me. Because all of it on social media bad, because nobody can thump way through the phone. So while we a bad girl and while we a bad man and while we bad and while we just bad, with invisible bullets, we can just pow, 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 pow with our words and our mouths. And if you're thin skin, you probably get pierced it. But my mother feed me enough cow skin. So my skin thick. You understand? I just don't get into things that doesn't serve my life in a positive way. I'm too grown to be drawn out into certain things. I fear God too much to be pulled into certain things. Waste of time. You understand? So with all this charity talking and this and that on social media, tonight my life is about the donors. Because like I said before, I came on social media and bump into this amazing charity. I used to hear people go to my country on vacation and come back, you know, on jobs, just in the restaurants, when they found out I'm Jamaican. And they'll have conversation like, Jamaica is such a beautiful country, which I will always agree with. Because I think nowhere on earth is as beautiful to me. That's to me. Not for everybody, to me. You understand? But they'll have conversations, you know, in a social setting. You've come to Jamaica, and they say, yes. Them some man me love Jamaica, such a beautiful country, but why? You know, the poverty of Jamaica, so much poverty, much poor people. Me in a conversation where people say, you have so much Jamaicans abroad, and it seems like they're not even turn around and look back at them countries. At them country. You know? For lend and helping hand. When I come to social media, bump into that charity, I knew it was a lie before, but that just solidified my belief that there were people helping, maybe behind the scenes that I, you know, like myself, that I'm not aware of.
Yeah.
You understand? Yes, people cuss the donors them and say, them have families at Jamaica where them should have gift to. Oh, I don't know, them a gift to them family. And sometimes with some people, because me no walk with my head under the sun, some people give to them, how many people give to them families, and them same family there, turn around and deceive them, lie to them, yeah, take them money, and for do one thing and do the other. Me aware of that, because like me said, me no walk with my head under the sun. But tonight is for the donors them. I just want to say to you guys that even if you have given, not to the charity that I reference, but anywhere else,
Any charity,
and you put forth $1, once you did that with a clean heart, once you saw someone's situation and you wanted to make a difference, and you took that last $1 and you handed out, there's a place up there for people like you.
Absolutely.
And I just want to say to the people who have donated that your donation did not go to waste. Yeah? It fell on fruitful ground. It changed the situation of someone, no matter how small it was or it is. Don't let anyone discourage you from helping your fellow sisters and brothers, because what the world needs now is love, sweet love. That's what the world needs. I've gotten calls all the time from places, whether they're collecting clothes, whether they're collecting groceries.
Yeah.
You understand? There are trucks that goes through certain neighborhoods. I can't speak for the entire United States, but I can speak for where I live at. I've seen trucks gone through neighborhoods, and these are just farmers who have formed vegetables and stuff like that, and they just drove around in neighborhoods and handed out to folks in the neighborhood. Fruits and vegetables.
Yes.
They just reap from their crop and want to share it with someone else. And believe me, that made a difference in the lives of those people, whether it's a meal for that night. So donors, I'm talking to you tonight. No matter if you have given 50 cents and it came from that place that calls your heart, not seeking any highlights. Car validation is for cars. If you did that from a place of love, I salute you. Yes. Because I've heard people curse all the time and act as though every Jamaican in America, or America specifically, are home attendant. I hate to break it to you people out there, but Jamaicans are in every type, every single career you can think of in America. They're not just home health aides. Nothing wrong with that. But when you speak like that, you sound ignorant. There are Jamaicans who are entrepreneurs, own stores, chains of stores, doctors, lawyers, engineers,
judges,
in this army, the Navy,
yes,
athletes, musicians, Jamaican actors. They're everywhere. You understand? Because even if you're a home attendant, even if you're a street sweeper, whatever, a janitor, whatever you do, you're making an honest living, and it's your pocketbook to know whether or not you could spare $1 or 50 cents to donate to a cause for your sister or brother. No one needs to take it and curse you or make you feel bad about what you're doing to help your fellow Jamaicans. And don't get me wrong, I know that there are other countries who have donated to Jamaica as well. And the same goes for y'all. Donors on a whole. Thank you. each and every one of you who have ever donated to my country, I just want to tell you, thank you. May God bless you. May your store baskets never, ever go empty. And believe me, there's a place up there
For people like
you. Tonight, we celebrate you.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
It's such an unselfless act. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Try to find something to play. Big up for yourself. And I'm going to look for that song. In the meantime, Miss Vanilla.
Those memories again. It was when I thought time had set me free.
Yes.
You found it?
For y'all. Yes. Good night, Charmaine.
If you give a little more than you take,
Yes.
and if you try to fix more
Then you break.
if you're the kind who takes the time to help a stranger in the rain,
There's a place
there's a place
up there.
for people like you. If you stand up for those down on their knees,
Yes.
and lend a voice to those who cannot speak. If you shine a little light
people like
inside
you.
to the ones who've lost
It's
their
not about us
way, there's a
tonight.
place
It's about
for
you.
like you. I've
Who
heard
people judge
streets are made
to say you have families back home that you should send your money to instead.
when you get there,
Not knowing
there's a hand to hold.
that both can happen.
I believe
Not knowing that you have tried that
there's a place
and people who should love you the most
for people like
took advantage of you.
if you walk around with your heart on your sleeve,
I'm talking to you.
and if you're trying to be the change you wanna see,
Thank you for being the change
if
you wanna
lay
see.
down your life for love so someone could be saved,
There's a
there's
place
a place
for people like you.
for people like you.
Heard out there the streets are made of gold. I will pull up.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh.
Yeah.
If you give a little more than you take, and if you try
To fix more than you bring.
if you're the kind who takes the time to help a stranger in the rain, there's a place
For people like you.
if you stand up
For those down on the knees.
and lend a voice to those who cannot speak. If you shine a little light,
You know how many times you guys have blown me away? Yes.
there's a place
Right over there.
for people like
I'm teaching you my cooking skills.
I've heard
You guys just blow me away. And when you get there,
there's a hand to hold.
I believe don't you move. I told you the last time I saw you in Jamaica, I said you cannot tell me not to call your name.
Love you.
Because there's a place for people like you.
Yes.
Them can tell me, say me kiss your ass all them want. I will kiss it every day. Because what you have done will never go unnoticed by me.
One more time.
I love you, and there is nothing anyone on social media or off of social media can do about it. I will say it in front of you. I will say it behind you. I don't need anything from you, and you know that.
We love you, Auntie.
If you give
This is love for free for what I've witnessed. I've seen you get those houses built. I've seen you counted out those monies. I've seen you brought those students in front of us. I saw them going to school.
there's a place
I saw you put food
for people like you.
on the tables of families. No one can come and tell me any difference, because even though I wear glasses, I can see.
Those who cannot speak.
You sit
If you're
right
shining
there.
little light, give sight to the ones who've lost their way.
Yes.
There's a place
That's why you're blessed.
for people
And
like
anybody that bad mind you should just turn over. Me say tonight, anybody bad mind you, for even
and when you get
a stronger ear,
there's a hand to hold.
them need to turn over. Because when you will bless yourself, God I bless you. Him look down, you see, and him see
For people
all the things that you have done. Call chocolate and vanilla. Kiss us all on the want. No one out here can rock me from what I've witnessed in 2019 up until 2024.
you lay down your life for love so someone could be saved. There's a place
There's a place, Donna Marie, go for people like you and your donors. I'm gonna take it back. Who want to unfollow me for it? Go right ahead tonight. Go right ahead tonight.
there's a place out there for people like you.
Continue doing what you're doing, like I told you, my sister. Because if you haven't seen it already, you need to see it now. That there is power in the name of Jesus.
Absolutely. Amen.
Yes. And greater things are coming for you. And I'm right here behind you, like the cheerleader that I'm supposed to be, because I'm a damn Jamaican woman for the love of God.
And when you get there, there's a hand to hold. I believe
All of them can get up and say, clout and highlight. You know much time to tell my auntie don't call me, call me name.
out there for people like
She's sitting right here. Ask her.
Yes.
I've made it before I came on social media. What the hell y'all talking about?
'cause there's a place out there for people like you. Mm-hmm.
What y'all talking about? And because someone who know feel like who can come twist me up. And because when I mention her name, the first thing me say, that name don't call around here. If it's not for compliments,
If you
you better
give
back up
to more than you take.
Back up. You can come on social media and say whatever you want to say.
Then you break.
We deal with facts and evidence around here.
If you're the kind who takes the time to help a stranger in
Everybody want to bring everybody into
there's a place
all kind of shit. Chocolate ain't with it.
Eat it vanilla.
That woman,
If you
I wish to do for my country with our donors. It's not a small thing. It's a big thing.
If you shine
All these years someone to sit down and a crucify her. What have you done? Which child you sent back to school?
for people like you. I've heard that the streets are
Time to come out of the darkness and come into the light and do it better than her. Wonderful.
meant to hold. I believe when your days down,
Show me what you're working with.
there's a place up there for people like
She's still walking free. What the hell? Get over it. Because prayer we are use and win.
and if you're trying to be the dream,
Call me fat. Call me insipid.
if you lay down
My Jesus loves me.
love so someone keep you safe.
My family loves me. My husband loves me. My best friend loves me. Who wanna be? And why are we bad out here? Because none of you can help me through this.
And when you get there,
Hey, there's a hand.
to hold.
Donors. It's all about you tonight.
When your days down here are through, there's a place
When I get up and chant the most things, when are you gonna step up? When you gonna step up and show us how it's done? Show us the legitimate way. Show us the best way. Your brothers and sisters are crying out for help. Step up and show them the best way. Sickening.
in the street.
Say what you want to say about me. You know this comment. When I can't dream this, when I only have to dream about it.
And to hold. I believe when your days
Down here are through.
This wasn't the show tonight.
there's a
I'm tired of you.
Up there.
Vampires, rise up. The peace, come out of the darkness and step up and show we how to do it better.
there's a place up there.
All these years you're talking, you have done nothing but check.
Step out.
You have done nothing to help nobody. Nobody. Who have you helped? Nobody. You haven't helped the soul.
Come out of the darkness.
Come to the light.
Come to the light and show me what you're working with.
Oh, yeah.
Wonderful.
If you give a little more,
Wonderful.
you take.
Doing us.
If you try to
Even if you gave 50 cents,
break,
25 cents.
if
I don't
you're
care how little it was or how much it was.
in the rain,
Thank you tonight.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
for people like you.
There's a place
If you stand
for
up
people like you.
down on
Not who get up and try to tear down somebody we are trying our best.
voice to those who cannot speak.
Years after years, days after days, nights after nights, they're gonna get up and talk about my God,
There's a place
not my God,
like you.
not my God.
The streets are made
Look at the Plankabas. That is my God. When you do good, His goodness and mercies shall follow you all the days of your life. on.
If you lay down your life for
And all of them can get up and go. And go upon the people. Well, come upon me tonight. I'm clean.
people
And I'm washed in the blood of Jesus. The cleanest scratch. You're going to go upon it tonight.
and when you get there,
Yes.
there's a hand to hold. I believe when you
The well-shaped body. But my God residing there.
out there for people
Yes. You see this? It gonna go 6'6". Or they gonna cremate it. But there's a soul inside of me that none of you on social media cannot touch. So come who? Come one? Come on. You can't punch me through the phone. Take your best shot.
there. The streets are made,
I'm tired of y'all. A bunch of disgrace.
and when you get there,
Bunch of disgrace.
if you give a little more than you take,
She ain't no babysitter.
and if you try,
She ain't got no time to put anybody penalty to them. Fish is suck for them suck.
you're the kind
When you're not feeling so good and you're feeling hurt.
stranger in the rain.
She don't have time for that.
Is a place
So if you come out here in her defense and want some breastfeeding after, may I have news for you know.
down on their knees and lend a voice
The breast
to
them.
those who cannot
The breast them dry out. She feed them to her
If you
kids.
shine a little light, give sight.
When are you gonna do something
There's a place
from that place? Call your heart and look for nothing in return.
the streets are made of gold.
Why you no can't share her? Why she always have to share her?
There's a hand to
Why not get up and pick up? Why she always have to share her?
when your days down.
Why you no can't share her too?
There's a place up there.
I she the one of sharing fingers.
If you walk around with your heart on,
I'm out here to defend the truth. I'm out here to stand behind my fellow Jamaican sister.
A beautiful queen.
The one who inspired me so we can look in my phone like this and not give a shit when I wanna think.
there's a place.
The one who inspired me. They said, chocolate, maybe you can give a little bit more.
The streets are made of gold.
The one who inspired me and said, me have a platform that we can monetize. And even if we help 10 people in the background, with the monetization, I can help 10 more.
There's a place out there for people like.
That's who I'm talking about. You want to session with God? That's your problem. When your supporters stand up on your page and love upon you, are you their God? When they run up and down in the comment section and I defend you, are you their God? Huh? Are you their God?
Up there, the streets are made of gold.
Are you their God?
And when you get there,
Donors,
hands will hold.
tonight
I believe
I celebrate
when your days are
each and every one of you. Even if you did not donate, I've never donated to teaching you my cooking skills, but some other charity, and you're comfortable that your money is going to good use. I salute you. for me donors. I not even want to dance no more. Because we come out of a dance. But you ever been sick and tired of being sick and tired?
And said enough is enough.
And you ever
If you give
think about this foolery? Want to calm you down so you are freed to come out and talk about the person that you love and you admire?
if you're the kind
Not in my chocolate factory.
to help a stranger
Not in this.
is a
Christians, cock on the ears.
for people like
Cock on the ears and to put your hand over your ears.
if you stand up
Not in this motherfucking chocolate factory. Your witness behind me.
and lend a voice to those who cannot
Excuse
speak.
me, alright?
If you shine a little light, give sight to the ones who've lost you.
String me up now.
There's a place
Cannibals,
for people like you.
vampires,
I've heard that
string me up.
streets are made of gold,
Make all the lies up that you want.
and when you
I serve a risen Savior
turn to hope,
who's in this world today.
I believe when your days
And I know
through,
He knows my heart.
place up there for people like you.
So when you call me,
Along with your
no matter.
heart on your sleeve, and
Don't
try
matter.
to be the dream.
Each and every day it bless me. Because I turn around to be a blessing to someone.
Someone could be saved.
I don't try to sit down and trample down on the same people them. And I want to see them prosper. Because we sit down every day and we want what them got.
And when
And think it all dropping our lap.
there's a hand to hold,
And we cuss them. Like cussing the people that you might mind. I'm going to bring you where them have.
place out there
Blessings on our ways.
like you.
How much can one person take? How much?
Fish town.
How much can one person take? Day in, day out, night and day, you're on this lady. She does good for the people
About the
in her
donors
country.
tonight. We're talking.
I know, I understand that.
Okay.
And if it wasn't for the help of those who donated to her program, she wouldn't be able to do what she's been able to do for those people in your country. That's your country. I'm not from that country, and I'm proud of her.
Yes.
You need to be ashamed of yourself.
There's a hand to hold.
But you know something?
That would be a bad thing.
In every fish tank, or in most fish tank,
There's a place
there's always that
out
fish.
there for people like
Clean out the muck
Yes.
out of the tank.
Yes. It has a specific type of fish. Yes. And they clean all the
muck.
The muck in
there's a
the
place out there.
So you have
the
those fish,
slime on the tank.
them fish that swim
Yes.
around
Yes.
social media.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I don't know what some of you I'm gonna tell God say. It's all fine and dandy now. Because Him giving you enough ropes for hang on yourself. Yeah, I saw God work. Him not work like me and you. Whether just get up and just do it. You see when Him do it, nobody can do it better. Some of you are going to end up old and alone. And I think you're going to there and can cuss all the
If you
time.
give a little more
Every day.
than you take, and if you try
And
fix more
there won't be an end to it. I want you to know that.
If you're
My God
the
is bigger than
kind
you.
who takes the time to help a stranger
He's
in
bigger
the
than me.
rain, there's a place
Yes. Donors.
like you.
There's a place for people like you.
Thank you. Thank you for helping all those people be they're going to be able to get there
If you
next week.
shine a
Help
little
them. Thank you.
light, give
Big up
sight to the ones
Big up
who
on
lost
yourself.
the way.
Bless up yourself.
There's a place
Yeah, me know the crowd come,
for people like
but this is not no drama.
Our
This is me speaking the truth.
streets are made of gold.
Yes, based on what I've seen with my own two eyes.
When you get there, there's
Yes,
a
the
hand
tearing down. Because of me should have in another position there.
when your days down.
And me, everybody's supposed to know and love. I was Shifa.
If you walk around with your heart on,
Take it to Jesus.
and if you're trying to be the change
Take it to
you wanna
Jesus.
see,
Because we don't care.
lay down your life for
The donors don't care.
someone to
Take it to Jesus.
There's a place for people like you.
Take it to him.
And the streets are made of gold.
Yes, donors. When you get there,
And when you get there,
there's a hand
hand to hold. I believe when your days down here are through, there's
all your insecurity.
a there
Donna. All your misfortune in life. Donna. All your stagnancy. Donna. Ah. Take it to Jesus. Big up yourself, Stacey
Big
Campbell.
up Stacey Campbell.
Yes. Take it to Jesus.
and the streets are made of gold.
Your man now play your mind. Donna.
There's a hand to hold. I believe when your days down here are through,
But donors,
When you
There's a
can't
place.
travel. When you can't travel. Donna.
there's a place
I know you're out there, so
for
keep
people like you.
what you do.
Keep doing what you do.
There's a place up there for people like
Because there's a place up there for people like you.
Out of many one people we are.
People. Me come out here for dance tonight. But we just can't. Couldn't hold it down. Because one bad word.
Natural beauty, you know.
My God understand.
Yeah, no, I
I am
never
tired of
been
it.
someone shy
Everything
until I seen the
is
right.
this lady.
Still I have to
Every
try.
single thing. Me know she can defend herself.
Oh yes, let me get my words right. And
But Vanilla and I,
we're
thoroughly in
You'll never have
How we're not afraid of no girl and no boy. Anything we don't look on is beneath us.
can relate to when they find this special someone. And she's royal.
Yes. Not worthy. My attention. Get up every day. When I know one thing or the other. Donors, them have them
If
family.
you give a little
All you know, the people them
than
family.
you take,
Eh?
and if you try to fix more,
All you know, them the financially stable enough. They do a need to
who takes the time
a
to
charity
help a stranger
and
in
still
the rain,
be able to help them family. And everybody stagnant.
like you.
And everybody have one stream of income.
Stand up for those that
And everybody eat I live from hand to mouth.
and lend a voice to those who
And no disrespect to anyone who's doing that.
If you shine a little light, give sight to the ones who've lost their way.
Some of you, your family member them, your same family member them.
People like
do not terrible, worse than strangers.
The streets are made of gold.
Wanna send on the money, go give them for one thing, and find out it's being used for another. Some of them all setting up. And I get to a point and say, you know what? Damn it. You better me give me money to strangers. Because at least me not have that personal connection.
Your heart on your sleeve. And if you're trying to be the change you wanna see.
Yes. When I see say the government does do for everybody. What about those rural areas in Jamaica? Because come like summer when you go to Jamaica, when you just go one place. When you ever been to all them rural areas in Jamaica where people have to walk? When you look at food by them head for the sell market. Some of them look like they want turnover. But them have to do it anyways. Because it's a means to an end.
I believe when you take
They're not the one that someone that even can afford the bus fares. Bus not even run up in some of them there. Communities there. There's someone, you imagine, you have 14 Donna Marico in all 14 parishes.
My God.
You imagine the beauty and all of that for them.
My God. It would be amazing.
And instead,
They're tearing down the one.
and there could only be one. I'm just saying, people,
and when you get
like who would take it to heart like her,
there's a hand to hold.
with all the transparency and do
When you
the
did
right thing,
through me,
because they don't get it twisted.
there's a place
Could only be one.
there.
One.
One
DMG.
DMG.
One. Plank of
And them waffle. Drag the life out of her.
So keep doing
And I must have so much admiration and love. And just sit back.
'cause there's a place.
And make the bad girl them and the bad man them on social media come intimidate me because them can punch me through the phone.
Right.
I wanna fuck.
Out of many one people we are.
Thank you guys for the stars. You know, I'm not really paying attention to the comments. Forgive me.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Forgive me.
Yeah.
The people them down the bed too much.
Give a little more.
But yet, when the pin on the care shops, on the cells,
To fix more than you
I wanna live in the big, great United States of America,
who takes the time.
the land of the free and the home of the brave,
There's a place
with all the opportunities in the world.
like you.
But you supposed to do it.
If you stand up for those
Do the begging.
on their knees,
But your little sister and brother were down there.
lend a voice to those
But can't
who
hardly
cannot speak.
find the next meal
If
to
you
put on that
shine
table.
a little light
How them gonna
inside
send them
the
kids?
We nothing help them because we enable them.
There's a place for people like you.
What are they doing to you
I've heard there's
when they drop stuff in your shop and you sell? There are plenty of work here in America, plenty of jobs.
there's a hand to hold. I believe
Them say life no fear.
I'm here through,
It's not life that is not fear.
but there's
It's the people in life that is not fear.
if you walk around with your heart on your sleeve,
Yeah. The people in life that is not fear.
wanna see. If you lay down your life for love so someone could be saved, there's a place
I could go further.
for people like you.
I could go into some that we're bad man and we're bad woman.
And when you get back,
And whether we know everything.
there's a hand to hold.
But until you know the love of God, you know nothing. Until you know the love of God, you know nothing until you ask God to change that heart of stone and give you a heart of flesh. You know nothing until you ask God for a blanket to wrap up that cool heart of yours. Don't take my word for it. But everything has a beginning. And everything most certainly has an end.
To hold. I believe when your days down here are
All of a sudden, we are Jamaican in America.
up there.
We want to impose all the laws of the United States of America on Jamaica.
In a whole different country.
So keep it,
All of a sudden, we don't know that. We forget,
'cause there's a place
right? That you have shops at Jamaica on the road. Wanna stay with me? For the real Jamaican that me I talk to tonight. Oh no, no.
of many.
Say you have the supermarket them right. And you know you have the shop them right. And you know you have somebody in them house right. Where I sell something out of them house, don't it? So we know that there are a lot of ways to do things, right? But now,
If you give,
we need to impose every damn law in the United States of America because it's now the United States of Jamaica.
more than you bring. If you're the kind who takes the time to help a stranger in the rain, there's a place for people like you. If you stand up for those down on their knees,
May God have
lend
mercy
a voice to
upon
those
some of
who
you.
cannot speak.
May He have
If you
mercy.
shine a little
upon some of
light,
you.
give sight to the ones who've lost their way.
If I'm not doing it right,
There's a place
and you know how to do it better,
for people like you.
why don't you step out and show me how it's done?
There are streets
Instead
made
of you wanting to dig a hole and bury me alive,
when you get there,
how will I learn?
there's a hand to hold. I believe when your days down here are through, there's a place
But donors,
up there for people
there's a
like you.
place up there.
If you walk
people like
around
you.
with your heart on your sleeve, and if you're trying to be the
I was
change
so
you wanna see, if you lay down your life for love so someone could be saved, there's a place for people like you. I heard that the streets are made of gold,
I love you, kings and queens.
and when you get there,
I love
there's a
you
hand to hold.
with the love of Jesus.
I believe
And all who's gonna drag me after this, I love you with the love of Jesus.
for people
And I pray that God will place His hands upon you and that He will instill some love in you for you to be able to see beyond your household, to see beyond your gates, to see beyond your family, and know that there's a bigger world out there. My situation you something. We have two languages in common, and that's crying and laughing. So, with that, we're all connected in this big, big circle of life. And we never know. We never ever know what may knock on our door one day and we need, or in the streets, or in your traveling. And it's that same person who you didn't want to get that dollar to go back to school.
If you give a little more than you take,
When you look up, it's that
and
person.
if you try,
It's that
it's
uranium.
more than you break. If you're the kind who takes the time to help a stranger in the rain,
It's that
there's a place
uranium.
for people like you.
Donors.
If you stand up
Thank
for
you.
those down on their knees,
Thank you from every country
and lend
that
your
has ever
voice to
donated
those who
to my
cannot
beautiful
see.
country, the land of my birth.
If you shine a little
Jamaica.
light, give sight to the ones
Thank
who
you
lost
with all
me.
my heart.
There's a
I thank you.
place for people like
I thank you.
Thank you, donors. Wherever you might have donated to, thank you. We appreciate you. Keep doing what you're doing. Don't let the naysayers stop you. Keep doing what you do.
There's a hand to hold
Chesapeake.
Marie, I love you, Shazali.
when your day's down.
And when I say I love you,
There's a place
I don't love you because I want you to share me.
for people like
I don't love you because I even want you to come over and comment. I love you because I see a beautiful sister when I look at you.
trying to be the change
I love you,
you wanna see.
Donna Marigo,
If you lay down,
because I fell in love,
love so
fell in love with your charity.
safe. There's a place.
Whomever I've shared on my platform, I never shared you because I want you to share me. I shared you because you were saying something that I like.
When you get there,
Yes.
there's a hand to hold. I believe when your days down here are through, there's a place out there for people like you.
Kings and queens. Like I said, I came out tonight to dance for you.
Party.
But someone got a hold of me. And I have to tell it like it is. And whatever they say about me, don't you respond. Give them a chocolate and a vanilla heart for me.
And when you
Cause I'm too blessed to get down in the gutter.
there's a hand to hold,
I know what he's done for me
believe
that no man or woman on here could have done.
there's a place.
And I know what he's doing for my sister. And I will continue to lift her up in prayers.
I know you're right.
And I'll come out and give her a strength because I know we're all common flesh and bones. And sometimes, no matter how tough we might play, we just need a little love, a little hoof. And that's all I'm here to do tonight. Teaching you my cooking skill. Is give you that little hoof.
And if you
And
try,
I promise
it's more
that as long as I'm
than
social media, I will give it to you.
If you're
For
the
free.
kind who takes the time
know
to help a
that.
stranger in the rain,
I love you
there's
guys.
a place for
And there's
people like
absolutely
you.
nothing you can
If
do
you
about it.
stand up for those
We will come back tomorrow night with the credits. God bless you
lend a
guys.
voice to those who
Thank you
cannot
again, donors,
speak.
for all you do.
Bam bam, good night.
If If you're shining with the light, give
Roseanne, good night.
who's lost their way.
Charms.
Charms, good
There's a
night.
place
Diana, Merlin, Isaac,
like you.
Iris, Jackie,
How
Tanisha.
the streets
Shoulders, good night.
Justice.
Justice, good night.
The
There
friend.
any platform going on here that I missed tonight?
Pick up
Pick up
yourself.
yourself.
Blessings to you.
Blessings to each and every one of you.
when your days
I love you too.
through.
Crystal,
Crystal.
love you too, Janisha.
Thank you so much for joining us tonight. Again, if you're a donor,
If you
please
walk
continue to
around
do
with your
what your heart tells you. Don't let anybody stop you. And we salute you for what you do. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Good night.
All right.
Don't curse me.
If you lay down
Pray for
your
me.
life for a love so
That I will be,
We're hugging you back, Shaza.
there's a place
that I can continue to give love to my fellow sisters and brothers without any expectation.
the streets will make
My blessings come from the Most High. No one can bless me like He can.
when you get there.
And when He blesses me,
There's a hand to hold.
no one can take it away from me.
I believe
Good night, I love you guys.
Love you, kings and